to our Piagetian task, and now I demonstrate the conservation of liquid. Participants belongs to the pre-operational stage, age 3 years old. I have two different kinds of cups, tall and narrow, wide and short, and I have two same amount volume of liquid. Dayon akong ibubo diri sa tall and narrow. Then ibubo po nako sa short and wide. Dahil ato papilion ang atong participants. Asa pilion nimo? Mo paan?
Imna
diyon. Kay ginaigiti na. Ay, salamat. Nagtagumpay.
Very good. Oh.
Child response. After conducting the conservation of liquid, I observed the following. For a younger child, pre-operational stage around 3 to 5 years old, the child seemed to confuse and insisted that the tall, narrow container held more liquid than the short, wide one. They were focused on the height of the liquid and did not recognize that the volume remained the same. This aligns with Piaget's theory where children in the pre-operational stage, typically ages 3 to 5, tend to be influenced by visual cues such as the height of liquid rather than understanding the underlying concept of conservation. The child's response and the younger group demonstrate Piaget's idea that children in this stage are egocentric and focused on superficial, perceptual characteristics. Their thinking is centered on what they see in front of them, and they struggle with concepts that require mental manipulation such as conservation. The younger child's belief that the taller container holds more liquid reflects the lack of operational thought, a key feature of the pre-operational stage. One insight that emerged during the demonstration is how much children thinking evolves between the pre-operational and concrete operational stage. The younger child's misunderstanding highlighted that fact that they still relied heavily on perceptual feature of the task such as height, which is a key limitation in Piaget's pre-operational stage. Meanwhile, the older child's misunderstanding reinforced the idea that as children grow, they can move from concrete thinking based on appearances to more logical and abstract thinking. A challenge I encountered has ensuring that the child focus solely on the amount of liquid rather than being distracted by other elements of the task. For example, when explaining the task to the younger child, they kept fixating on the different shapes of containers, which interfered with their understanding of conservation. This confirmed Piaget's belief that pre-operational children are not yet able to systematically analyze a problem from multiple perspectives.